The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. High-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces has resulted in the destruction of the workshops for assembling Ukrainian Grom-2 and .U operational tactical missiles at southern machine-building plant near Dnepropetrovsk. Missile attacks launched at the provisional bases of the units from the 81st Air Mobile Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces and the missile and artillery armament depot of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade have resulted in the elimination of up to 200 nationalists, 23 units of military equipment and over 30 tons of ordnance for cannon-launched and rocket artillery near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized the units from the 26th Artillery and the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zakotnoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Nikolaev, the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade and the 121st Territorial Defense Brigade near Osokorovka in Kherson region and Vremevka in Donetsk People's Republic. The 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades near Redkodub in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 61 artillery units at their firing positions, 148 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 6 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Mayaki in Donetsk People's Republic, Lezhino in Zaporozhye region, Pavlograd, Kolomiytsevo in Dnepropetrovsk region and Nikolaev, as well as 2 field refueling posts of the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Redkodub in Donetsk People's Republic. Attack launched by Russian aerospace forces has resulted in the elimination of a mobile group from the Ukrainian Center of Electronic Reconnaissance near Chervony Stav in Nikolaev region. Moreover, 1 platoon of US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems has been neutralized near Nikolaev within counter-battery warfare. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Klishchevka in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Ukrainian Su-25 airplane has been destroyed by Russian air defense facilities near Ternovye Pody in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities of the Russian aerospace forces have shot down 5 unmanned aerial vehicles near Urozhainoye in Kherson region, Svatovo, Vladimirovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Novoyegorovka in Kharkov region. 18 US-manufactured rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS were intercepted over Kherson near Novaya Kakhovka, Chervony Mayak in Kherson region, and 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles were shot down over Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 309 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,112 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,153 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 856 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,440 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,988 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Ukrainian artillery shelled residential areas of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The attacks were launched from the Ukrainian-controlled area of Nikopol in Dnepropetrovsk region. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counter-attack. The radiation environment remains normal.